Spring has sprung, but our contest is done. It's time to call the winner of an APQS Millie valued at $19,700. Hi, this is Linda?
Yes, it is.
Well, hey, Linda, this is Dawn Cavanaugh with APQS Quilting Systems.
Uh-huh.
I have some news for you.
Okay.
You are the winner of an APQS Millennium valued at $19,700.
Oh. I thought I had one because they said that, 5 o'clock on Friday.
Well, we thought we might catch you home on a weekend, so I decided to wait to see if I could catch you home and give you the big news.
Oh, my goodness. I've never won anything in my life, and to win this, of all things, oh my gosh.
Sounds like it's a big day.
Oh, yeah.
I think that I saw that you entered quite often.
I try it every day.
Oh, that's wonderful. It paid off.
I've tried for the last 4 contests.
Well, your persistence has done you well because you are the grand prize winner, Linda.
Oh my gosh.
Woohoo!
I'm standing here sauteing onions and peppers.
Oh no! Well, shoot.
I just got to cut up the onions so my eyes were already watering.
They were already watering from the onions. Oh my gosh. Well, hopefully these are now happy tears.
Oh, yes, they are.
Oh, how wonderful. Well, you know what? We'll get back in touch with you about all the details so we can make arrangements to get Millie out to Pennsylvania.
Okay.
Terrific.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Congratulations. I'll talk to you soon.
Okay, thank you.
You bet. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you believe it? Tears of joy. I would be crying too if someone called me to tell me I'd won a brand new APQS Millie. Be sure to enter our contest next time. Who knows? We might be calling you.